Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have the Flipbook to show you from the Easter extravaganza that I made. And this is for a swap in Swapper's Corner. And so I made this using items from my stash. I have this lace closure and she can either use it to close it or use it for something else. It's really actually kind of pretty. It came in the package of lace that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I have made a flipbook using 6x6 pages and washi tape. And I had this little bunny in my stash and I just covered him in eggs, or her. I had this little Happy Easter. There's a doily behind. I did hand draw around the outside just to bring your eye in and so that you're looking at her. We have a cute little duck down here because that's part of the theme of this book. I have some of the little wooden eggs. There we go. And I added some flower stickers here. We have some puffy stickers as well. And then on the foam stickers, I added some other stickers to give it more color. So you open it up and you can see a lot of the fun things are sticking up out of the top, including the cute little paper clips. So you open it up and on the first page you have an envelope that I've made with my envelope punch board. I've put it down with washi tape. There is a place here that we can put, well, we can put something there. I thought I had a sticker that was on the back, but I'll have to, oh, there it is. So we can put that right behind there. Okay, so it's a sticker from the, let's go to the hot paper. We have a couple of ducks. They're running towards the egg. I used the Easter confetti as a pop-up here, and it is the closure for the envelope and a couple of the eggs from the Hobby Lobby paper. There's also some washi tape up here. On this page, we have a large tag. It's held by this paper clip that I made using two of these bunnies stuck together on the paper clip. And it's holding this tag that I made. Oh, the washi tape was stuck. Okay, so this tag that I made using one of the hearts from my stash. The tag is, I made it using my Cricut, and I actually stuck two tags together to get this thicker tag. We have one of the felt bunnies here, the little duck, and some eggs. So she'll be able to use that in a project. I just attached a couple of the postcard backs, copied out onto cardstock, and these are from my digital kit, one of my Easter digital kits that are in my Etsy shop at Dearjuliejulie. Okay, we have cute little ducks down here, the Happy Easter vintage ribbon, and the little duck. And this is a piece of, this is actually the top of a 6x6 paper pad right here, and I just tore it and put it there. You can see that we've attached using washi tape, and you open it up, and in the back is a large pocket. I've made this little paper clip here, and it's one of those funny square paper clips, and I made the Happy Easter banner, so it just attaches right there and goes across. We have a little embellishment cluster here with the puffy shaker egg and the little duck and some eggs and some more eggs, some trim and some washi tape. We have a couple of little tags that are just here underneath this paper clip that she'll be able to use in her projects. So in the back here, in the very back, we have the egg doily. And then I like that it sticks up the top. I gifted her, whoop, that one got wrote on, several of the pages from the Easter pads from Target. I don't know if she has those, and they're kind of fun to have. Let's see, we have a pink tag, and and a green tag. We have a panel card that has some yellow flowers on it. We have a doily, and we have one of the doilies from the bakery section at Michael's. I love those. We have this cute little bunny, and then some of the stickers, the Let's Go to the Hop Hop Hop, and some of them actually hopping, doing the bunny hop dance. It's little chicks and with the rabbit ears, and little mice with the rabbit ears. And then one of the postcards that I printed off from my my digital kit that is now available. Over here we have a corner pocket, and let's put things. So he goes here, and he's holding these guys because my brain will forget where things go if I don't put them back today. Okay, so this one has a little Easter egg, and it's holding some more of the images, and these are the images if you print the printables at 3x5, you get these for this size. So that is fun. She is also going to be receiving the printables. So I have her email address, and I will be sending her the files for the printables as part of her extravaganza gift. So she's also going to get this postcard. It's really cute. It's out of the Bunnies and Chicks digital kit. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 digital kits that I added. You get a little tag here, and then a group of tags that matched. So she can make a little tag book, or she can separate those and use them. We have a doily here, Happy Easter, one of the large eggs that I cut. This was in my stash from last year. We have the bunny, the little duck, some eggs, and washi. Put that. I like the way they're just kind of sticking out over here. Okay. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So we open it up, and we have another flip here, and this is actually supposed to be holding this little tag with the ducks. There's a pocket here, and this is really fun. I cut this out with my Cricut, and then you just fold it up and you get this really fun little pocket here. We have the little bunnies holding a basket, and we have the duck and the egg and the little duck in the front. And I thought this was kind of fun because Easter shoes were always something when I was growing up. You got new spring shoes, usually sandals, because we're here in California. And so I thought that was a fun little thing to add. And then I added some other Project Life cards that matched the book, and this tag. Actually, there's 2 tags there, and they're just tied together, and you can separate them. Oh, there's a camera one too. Okay, because you probably take pictures on Easter, so you can document about who's taking the pictures, maybe. Okay, so then we have one of the tags turned into a tuck pocket, and we have a whole bunch of bunnies, and they're looking that way. You see, this one is got his tail on both sides, so they're all looking that way. And then there's even more of them inside this pocket, and we have a pink one. I have it this way so that you can see the ears from the front, and then there's some of these little stickers over here. And they're just in there, so everybody is, I don't know if they're like watching a movie or what, but they're all looking that way. I thought that was kind of fun. Got the little duck, and he's walking, he's going somewhere. So that is my little flip book, and again, it's for the extravaganza swap in Swapper's Corner. And I hope she enjoys it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to know what your favorite thing was. Have you made a flipbook yet? I do a variety of different ones. This is one that I like to do, and of course, if you'd like to see a tutorial on how I build a flipbook, please put that in the comments. If there's something in particular that you're looking for me to do a video on, please put that in the comments. My brain needs help with ideas right now, so yeah, I sometimes come in here right now and just sit in this craft room and go, what should I do? That's not usually been a problem. But anyway, I digress. So, find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.